Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is the latest notification that we have received for the June 2023 examination. Yes, for the CSIR UGC NET June 2023, we have received the notification. So the registrations for the June 2023 and December 2022, the exam which got merged together is now open. You have to go to the Google and type down CSIR. You'll reach to this place, click on the candidate activity, click on OK, and then you will be subjected to this particular page. So this is for the December 2022 and June 2023. So this is the complete information that we have received from the official site. So what you have to do, you can download the information bulletin and get the complete information regarding the same. So as and when we download the complete official notification, what is it all about? It is talking about that the candidates can apply online through the official website only. Please ensure your eligibility criteria before you put in the application. Then talking about the application form and application fees. So for the general category it is 1100. For the EWS OBC it is for 550, SC ST third gender 275, and for the PWD the amount is 0. Then what is the application procedure? First you need to just register through the form, that is register through the form which has been given, this particular one, right? So step 1 is register for the online application form and note down the system generated application number. As and when you click on the proceed option, when you read all of these things, click on proceed, you will be directed to this particular site. All you have to do is you need to register yourself in this, and after the registration you will be getting a application number, and you have to make sure that you save that application number for the final registration. This is application form. So you can go to the official site, type down this particular thing, that is CSIR NTA, and you will reach to this information. So when you click on this, you will be redirected to a next page. You will get to this particular site, click on new registration if you want to register new, and if you have already registered before, if you have given the examination before, you can click on, you can put down your application number, you can put down your password, and then move ahead with the same. So this was about it. This was the new notification that we have received from CSIR. Make sure that you are getting the application ready. Make sure that you are applying yourself over here, applying in sense of registering your name and generating your application form and generating your application number and all the other things. Right now, some other points, click on application number. As and when you put your application number and a password would be created, you have to keep it saved. Then after that you have to pay the amount, but over here the information is only and only for that. Look over here, it is I have downloaded the information bulletin of joint CSIR UGC NET December 2022 and June 2023, and you are about to fill up the online application form for this particular examination accordingly. Click on correct, and then you reach to this particular site. Fill up all the forms, click on submit option, then you will be getting registered over there. Okay, so this is the information. Make sure that you do this particular thing. Thank you so much, and we'll be getting the exam forms dates very soon as well. So stay tuned, wait for the final dates, and let's prepare in the best manner possible. We have a lot of courses running for you all for the upcoming examination. So download our Botany Insider application and get yourself registered in the courses to prepare and perform in the examination in the best manner possible. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck and take care.